We start this noon with Luigi Mangione. In federal court today, his attorneys continued their fight to avoid the death penalty in the fatal shooting of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Christina Fan is live in Lower Manhattan with the latest on today's proceedings. Christina.
Well, Cindy, the judge is reviewing several motions as we speak. The first is a defense request to dismiss two of the charges. They also want some of the evidence suppressed, but perhaps most importantly, they are hoping and fighting for Luigi Mangione to avoid the death penalty. And they hope to do this with a number of arguments, including one that claims Attorney General Pam Bondi has a conflict of interest in this case by bringing up a previous job she had with Ballard Partners, a lobbying firm whose clients include UnitedHealthcare's parent company. Mangione's lawyers allege that Bondi is violating an agreement from when she took office to bow out of any matters related to Ballard for at least a year. But in a court filing, federal prosecutors slammed those claims as meritless and misleading, saying there is no conflict because there is no present or future financial gain. The defense is also arguing that murder by firearm, the charge that allows the government to seek the death penalty, is legally flawed and should be dismissed, an accusation prosecutors deny.
That argument in particular is very law specific. It really has to do with whether or not there was a crime of violence that was being committed in connection, with the murder. And so there's a lot of case law that interprets that, and that's going to be a very technical legal argument.
Mangione's defense team also filed a motion to toss key evidence from his federal case, arguing some items like a gun and notebook were illegally seized from his backpack because police had not yet obtained a search warrant. They are asking for a separate hearing to be held, similar to the one last month that took 3 weeks in Mangione's parallel state murder case. A few moments ago, the judge ruled that will not be necessary at this time. They have since moved on to discussing the motion to dismiss some of these charges. We're told each side is going to get 30 minutes to present their case, plus a few more for rebuttal. The defense is currently delivering their arguments at this time. For now, reporting live from Lower Manhattan, Christina Fan, CBS News, New York.
Christina, thank you. Our reporter Alice Gaynor is inside the courtroom following all the developments. Look for her live report starting tonight on CBS News New York at 5.